Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Football season's over. It's cold. What's gonna make you happy on a Saturday or Sunday morning? I know for me, hot chocolate. So I'm gonna show you how to make some nice peppermint hot chocolate for those cold Saturday, Sunday mornings now that football season's over. Today's hot chocolate is gonna be the quickest recipe out of Stevie's Kitchen. So we're just gonna start simple. We got 6 cups of milk going into our pot. Then we are going to use 1 can of condensed milk. After you get this condensed milk in, we're just going to get a little whisk so it can all mix into our milk. Now I'm going to take a 1.5 cups of dark chocolate and pour it in. And then I have another 1/2 cup of peppermint bark dark chocolate. And then a tablespoon of vanilla. And now the recipe's done. You just gotta let this simmer on low heat. Wait till all your chocolate melts and enjoy. Now, it's time for a taste test. Simple mug. Then if you want to, you don't have to. I'm just gonna toss a few marshmallows on top, kind of take me back to my childhood days. I'm very nervous about tasting this right now because I feel like it's very hot. But I don't want to keep y'all waiting. Yep, definitely hot. But it's so good. It's not too rich. You get that nice peppermint flavor. A nice cup of this sitting next to the fireplace or that special person. You don't want to miss this. You want some hot chocolate, buddy?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Is it really good?
Yeah. I'm ready for it.
You're ready for it?
Yep.
It might be too hot though.
What?
It might be too hot.
Nope.
Nope, not too hot.
Nope. I'm going to put milk in it.
There is milk in it.
What?
What?
Is milk in it for yours?
Yeah, it's hot chocolate.
Oh, that's what it is.
It's tasty, isn't it?
So exciting.
So exciting.
Okay, cheese.
Cheese.